Meaning of fungal.
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 Fungal. Fungal refers to anything that relates to or is caused by fungi, which are a diverse group of organisms that include yeasts and molds. Fungi can be found in a variety of environments, including soil, water, and living organisms. Some fungi are beneficial, such as those used to produce food and medicine, while others can cause diseases in plants, animals, and humans. In summary, fungal describes anything related to fungi, which are diverse organisms that can have both positive and negative effects on the environment and living organisms.